Some journeys don't just take you to a place, they take you back to yourself. Bruny Island, where time slows down, the sea glows blue, and every corner feels untouched. This is Tasmania's island escape, and today I'm taking you there. The adventure begins at Kettering, just 40 minutes south of Hobart. This small harbor town is where the SeaLink ferry connects mainland Tasmania to Bruny Island. Only a short 20-minute ride, yet it feels like crossing into another world. As the ferry glides over the still water, there's something peaceful about it. Just you, the waves, and that anticipation of discovering somewhere new. It's hard not to smile when the salty air hits your face. Once the ferry docks at Roberts Point, the road unfolds like a ribbon through endless wilderness. The island is split into North and South Bruny, joined by a narrow strip of sand called the Neck. But before that, the drive itself is part of the magic. You'll pass quiet farms, coastal lagoons, and forests that seem to whisper stories of old Tasmania. And here it is, the Neck Lookout, the most iconic viewpoint on the island. Nearly 300 wooden steps lead you up through the dunes, and from the top, it's breathtaking. On one side, you see wild waves crashing onto the ocean beach. On the other, calm waters shimmering under the sun. It's nature's perfect balance, beauty and simplicity meeting in one frame.
기다려.
As I stood at the neck, watching the waves meet, it felt like time stood still. Nature's simplicity. Always grounding, always humbling. This is Bruny Island. Raw, real, and unforgettable.